Hey guys, Nicole here with Momentum Accounting. I was talking to a prospect this week and he said something that really resonated with me. He said, I want my accounting to match my business and my business to match my accounting. And he's the owner of an IT company, and the situation that they were having is that they have their time tracking over here and their profit and loss statement over here, and nothing maps, right? So if they wanted to look at which service line was the most profitable or margin by service line, they can't do that on their P&L. If they wanted to understand profitability by client in their time tracking system, they can't do that over there because they've got things in all different places. And so my point with this is that your operations and your accounting need to be one cohesive team and one cohesive process. And I'll give you a couple of other examples with other industries. So last week we were meeting with a client, and their business is inventory, so they sell goods. And so for them, we're recognizing revenue on their profit and loss statement based on when the goods are shipped, which is proper revenue recognition for an inventory-based business. And so we're meeting with the client, and he says, he's looking at his sales numbers on the P&L. He's like, these aren't right. I know we sold more than that. So we're like, okay, well, let's go back to the inventory system and prove it. And we went and dug deeper and found out that there was an operational issue where this was a new inventory system that they'd implemented, and they didn't have the process down correctly, or all the way down to relieve inventory when they shipped it out, some of their partial shipments. And so they spent this last week cleaning things up, and we found $200,000 more worth of revenue that will now move from the balance sheet to the P&L. And so again, that's just another example of operations and accounting having to work together and making sure that the numbers make sense on both ends. And then lastly, let's say you're a tech company, you have subscriptions. So if you're looking at your MRR in Stripe, how does that tie back to your profit and loss statement? And so you really need, your accounting team should be able to be doing proper revenue recognition on the profit and loss statement, and then have that tie back to Stripe in some way. So I love that. Make sure that your accounting matches your business and your business matches your accounting. And that's one thing that we do at Momentum that I think a lot of accounting firms don't do, is we actually get deep into the operations and have extreme operational expertise. We also have fractional CFOs and fractional operators that we'll bring in that can get things set up and work with our team so that, you have the full system that you need. So I'm Nicole. I'm the owner of Momentum Accounting, and we are a fractional accounting and finance department for businesses typically doing $1 to $10 million in revenue. And if you want to learn more about what we do or work with us, you can go to momentumaccounting.com, and I'll see you at the next video.